This is a quick video on how to create an upcoming event using the TherapyZen calendar. More often than not, you'll be using the calendar to schedule appointments, but you can also use it to schedule any type of general upcoming event as well that you'd like to see displayed here on the dashboard when you log in. And as we look at the dashboard, we get a glimpse of what's going on today. We see we've got 3 appointments today. We do have one upcoming event on Wednesday, which is a couple days from now. But let's say, for instance, that maybe Annie found out about an upcoming webinar that she wants to make sure she attends, so she just wants to get it on the calendar and be reminded of it here every time that she logs into the system. So to do that, we'll just go over to the calendar link and click that to get to the calendar. And this webinar is going to appear on Friday afternoon, so let's go ahead and find the time for that webinar, and it's going to be right at 1 in the afternoon. So I'll double click the 1 o'clock slot on Friday. And that'll bring up the new appointment/event form. And what I'm going to do is, by default, it is set to appointment because, like I said, more often than not, you'll be scheduling appointments. But in this case, this is going to be an actual event. So we'll check that box. And this just provides some simple form fields here to let us put the event details in and save this event. So I'm going to go ahead and type in that information here. Okay, so I went ahead and filled out the event details. So I've got a title, it's the Anger Management Webinar. I've also got some notes here in the description box, and I've selected my start and end time. I could also flag this event as an all-day event, but for now I'll just keep it to the 1 hour. And just like with an appointment, I can have this event repeat. I can select weekly and have all the different weekly options available, but I'm just going to leave this to a single event, so I'll say never. And go ahead and save that. Okay, that's been saved to my calendar. Now if Annie goes back to her home page or dashboard, every time she logs in, she'll be reminded that this event is coming up on Friday, and eventually this event will be removed from this section once this date has passed.